Hey, thanks for checking out today's video. I am Lana Hill for HISD Now, and today our Dyad students are getting ready for their big trips. Campus Close-Up takes us to Sterling High School, plus a quick update for pre-K families. It is Monday, February 23rd. Well, this past weekend, HISD hosted the Dyad Travel Kickoff event, celebrating 500 students who will soon take part in the district's Dyad travel program. Take a look. At the event, students took part in immersive aviation activities and learned more about how traveling can open doors to future career pathways. Through this program, 7th and 8th grade NES students get the chance to explore history, politics, and culture through travel to destinations like Nashville, Washington, D.C., Costa Rica, and the Dominican Republic.
Today we are here to celebrate the students that have worked so very hard to be a part of our travel program. These students have completed a very rigorous application process. They are ready to go. They have proven that they are pillars in their community. They're giving back. They have community service project plans with their campuses. And so we are excited to support these students as they begin their journey.
We're learning about the different aircrafts that's here, trying to get familiar with the aircrafts and history about them.
Going to Dyad travel is like helping us go around the world. It's helping us see more perspectives and be more open-minded.
The Dyad travel program, which is supported by the HISD Foundation, helps students build independence, resilience, and a global perspective beyond the classroom. To learn more, head to our website, houstonisd.org, under the School and Academics tab. Campus Close-Up is at Sterling High School this week, located in Southeast Houston. Sterling has a clear focus on preparing students for what comes next. From the district's only aviation science magnet program to dynamic offerings in STEM, fine arts, CTE, and dual credit, Sterling students have access to future-ready learning that connects the classroom to the real world.
Hey there, Principal Gentry. Thank you so much for hopping on this call today. Really appreciate it.
Principal Tanisha Gentry talked about that and more, including how this B-rated school is working toward earning that A. Trey's full conversation with the principal is up on the channel right now. Well, this past weekend, our pre-K team hosted their first of several festivals. This one was at Wheatley High School. These events allow families to come out, ask questions, and get any support they may need in the application process. Remember, pre-K applications are being accepted now through April 17th.
So we have elementary campuses from all over the district that have come to showcase their wonderful programs and curriculum that they have for our families. So it is a wonderful opportunity for our families to come out and meet with campuses as well as receive application support along the way.
If you weren't able to make it to this one, our next pre-K festival is next month on March 21st at Hartman Middle School. All pre-K festivals run from 9 a.m. until noon. We hope to see you there. And for K through 12 families, the deadline to submit the Phase 1 school choice application is this Friday, February 27th. Remember, the lottery results come out on April 8th, and Phase 2 opens on that same day. And then a few days later, on April 11th, we're having a school choice fair at Madison High School. This event is for families taking part in Phase 2. All the information you need is on our school choice website. And a quick reminder for families looking for information about the recently announced school closures, we have campus-specific resources available on our website. You'll find detailed FAQs and other important updates under the Campus Closure Resources section right on the homepage. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We will see you back here tomorrow.